The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
It's time to take your dishwasher from odorous to odorless. Here's how. Pull out the bottom rack and remove the filter. Remove debris using a soft bristled brush with soap and water to remove any remaining gunk and check that the drain is clear. Next, check both the upper and lower spray arms. Use a toothpick to clean the outlet nozzles and rinse the holes to catch anything you missed. Be sure to check the dishwasher's gasket seals for any mold and mildew. Wipe it away with a sponge and warm water, then let air dry completely before replacing. Lastly, clean the inside of the dishwasher by pouring 2 cups of white vinegar in a dishwasher-safe bowl and placing it on the top rack. Turn the dishwasher on the longest, hottest cycle setting. Most manufacturers recommend cleaning monthly with an approved cleaning product.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get 1 free video chat with a home repair expert.